Step-by-step instructions for connecting the BTT SKR Mini E3v3 board to an Ender 3 Pro. Most of the pins are the same, but some are tricky. First, stepper motors. Stepper motor should be connected in this order from left to right: X-axis motor, Y-axis, Z-axis, and extruder motor. Connector between Z-axis and extruder have to empty with stock amount of stepper motors. Big wires is identical to original Creatility board. Power supply on left, heating bed on centre, and hot end on right. Thermistors same as on original plate. The main thing is to make sure that you are connecting the correct thermistors. Endstops have to be connected in same order as stepper motors. Do not connect Z endstop if you're planning to use probe like BlTouch or 3D Touch for Z homing. Fans is a little bit tricky. You can see on image marking of pins. On left have to be connected hot end cooling fan connected to fan 2 pin. On right, ejected plastic cooling fan connected to fan 0 pin. On top of them, board cooling fan connected to fan 1 pin. Pre-compiled firmware from Big Tree Tech or default setup in Marlin firmware, both expected that fans connected in this order. Stock display's hard to miss. There's only one slot for it. Original BlTouch should be connected into dedicated connector. If you are using cheap clone like 3D Touch or for some reason your BlTouch not working properly, try this wiring. Black and white wires have to be connected into Z endstop slot. Remaining wires have to be connected into bottom 3 pins of 5-pin slot. That's all. Hope this instruction was useful.